Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to customize the Start menu in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings, or press the Windows key, plus I to open Settings. From there, go to Personalization and click on Start. Under Layout, you can choose the Start menu layout, More Pins, Default, or More Recommendations. You can then turn on or off options like Show Recently Added Apps, Show Most Used Apps, Show Recently Opened Items, Show Recommendations, and Show Account-Related Recommendations. Next, click on Folders to choose which folders appear on the Start menu next to the Power button. Lastly, to pin or unpin apps to or from the Start menu, go to the Start menu, then All Apps. Right-click the app and choose Pin to start or unpin from Start to add or remove it from the pinned area. You can also drag and drop two apps together to create a folder, rename it, and add more apps. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.